Rocket, welcome to our Sony Xperia 12 Pro 5G 2026 full review. Cell phone. Sony has officially launched its latest flagship, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology, ultra-fast 5G connectivity, and premium features. In this video, we will dive deep into its performance, camera capabilities, battery life, display quality, and design, showing why it's one of the top smartphones of 2026. Glowing star. The Xperia 12 Pro 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, delivering smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and lag-free gaming. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on multiple apps, this phone handles everything effortlessly. High voltage. The 6.7-inch OLED display offers vivid colors, high brightness, and a smooth refresh rate, making gaming, movies, and scrolling a visual delight. Photography enthusiasts will love the 108 megapixels rear camera, capable of capturing highly detailed photos even in low light, while the front camera ensures perfect selfies and video calls. Camera with flash. Sony has also optimized the camera software for AI features and professional-level photography. Battery life is strong with a 4,500 mAh battery and fast charging support, giving you power throughout the day without worrying about running out. The sleek and premium design adds a luxurious feel, making it stand out in 2026's competitive smartphone market. In this video, we also compare the Xperia 12 Pro 5G 2026 with other flagship devices to help you decide if it's the best choice for gamers, photographers, and tech lovers. Fire! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews, unboxings, and smartphone tips. Stay tuned and discover why Sony Xperia 12 Pro 5G 2026 is a must-have flagship phone this year.